Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we are finally gonna be unboxing the cutest little Versace keychain. Now, this is the Versace Medusa Fluffy Keychain Charm. And this is just so beautiful and just so adorably cute. So without any further ado, let's go ahead, check it out, and unbox it. So to start off, we have the beautiful Versace box. So of course it does come in, so super beautiful. However, when we open that up, we do have the beautiful tissue paper. Go ahead, remove that. And then that will leave us with our cute little sneak peek of our cute little keychain. It does have its own Versace dust bag. So again, quality and just like a cute little thing. You could put like whatever you want in. Now we can see in all of its beauty the amazingly cute Versace Medusa fluffy keychain charm. Now this is so brilliant. Okay, so this is made out of rare shearling. So, we have the cute little sheep fur right here. It has the cute little sunglasses that incorporate leather. So that is just so adorable and cute. Now we do have this, which is lambskin right here. So, love that fact that it is real leather, real fur. But we do have the cute little charm right here that does say Versace, made in Italy. However, on the other side of it, it is plain. And if you know, I did recently lose my first and oldest cat, and this was the last one available. And before I even lost her, I really, really wanted this. And for some reason, it reminded me of her. So I lost her, and since this was the only one left in the company, I said, I need this. So because of that, I'm going to embroider Booster right here. I'm going to put a cute little bee and initial it, and it's going to be so cute. So because of that, this is worth the money to me. Now, originally, this is $250. Now, is that a lot of money for this keychain? Yes, it is. But is it worth it? It 100% is, because Versace is usually very expensive. So anything that price point is honestly a steal from them. Again, it's real fur, it's real leather, so it is worth it. And it's so soft and so fluffy. The backside's so cute. It is shaped like Medusa, kind of giving Cousin It vibes, but honestly, this is so perfect. With me, you know that I love my two favorite keychains. I love my fox fur giant fluff ball, and I do love this one right here. This one was a gift by my friend Devin Christopher. Such a kind thought. However, this one, I love it. I do have an entire video on it, so definitely check that out. But you can see that this one is bigger than this one, which is a good thing, because this one, I actually wish it was a little bit bigger, maybe like half the size of this one even, or this full size. That would be cool. But I'm really, really happy with the size comparison. However, I do wish that it had like an actual keychain. This one has a clasp, this one has a clasp, but this one you're supposed to tie it, and I don't like that tying factor. But I will go ahead and just get a little keychain and do it myself. Of course, we have one of my favorite Versace La Medusa bags. But to go ahead and show you like a comparison, look how precious this is. Oh my god, this is so cute and so brilliant. I love this one so, so much. Also, if you notice, behind it is my Versace bedspread. I do have two Versace bedspreads. Both have videos. Definitely check them out. But oh my god, this is so perfect. I wonder how this one will look on my lilac one. The lilac, it's honestly like the perfect color combination, because this one, it doesn't blend in, and it's just like the pop of like dark purple. And oh my god, how cute is that? Okay, I am so happy I have this, because it's just like so gorgeous and so beautiful, and I love it. Oh my god, wow. Can you believe that? So gorgeous. When you put all three on, it's just so adorably cute. And you know me, I love big bags. So putting so many keychains on one giant bag, I actually love that vibe. So to be honest, I love this. So with this keychain, you did get to see it at a closer look. I did compare it to a couple other keychains, but just so you can get like the same idea but from like a further distance, the pink Versace keychain that I have here for my friend Devin, this one is smaller than the fluffy one, and I was just so happy about that. To be honest, I feel like this one could be maybe like twice as big, and that would be still acceptable, but I do wish this was a little bit bigger, but I am happy that it is bigger than this. But this is a good size as well. But that would be the comparison. But if you have like a giant fluff ball like I have, then this is the size I'm talking about. So if this was like double the size, this would just look so cute on this. Now, this is fox fur, and I love it so much. I think it came from Arctic, so it's like an Arctic fox. But it's just so beautiful and duotoned. But like pairing these all together, just so cute. I love it so much. Now, when it comes to this purple one, they do make it in a lot of different colors. They make orange, pink, blue, and white. However, I do want it in blue and I do want it in pink, but I don't want to pay full price for it because I don't think it is worth the $250 necessarily. This one is because, again, like, it reminds me of my cat Booster, so it's just so sentimental. And then on the hardware right here, I will be getting an engraved bee. So to me, this is just like so sentimental and it is worth the $250. But the other two, I'm just not so in love with them that I would pay half price. So when that does go on sale, I will get both for the price of one, and that would be totally worth it. I would honestly love carrying them all at once, because again, it'd be so cute, especially on like a pink bag. Like, imagine this bag with all the charm. I do think this should be a different shade of pink, because it's kind of like a nude, because this bag is technically a light beige, but it gives off like a pink iridescent like tone to it. But you can see that it's just like so cute with all the charms hanging off of it. So something like that would be so cute for this. Obviously, I have to show you with my Versace Medusa. It's like honestly one of my favorite bags, and honestly my most used Versace bag besides my crystal tote. But this is just like so cute. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it's perfect. Wow. Oh my god, I love it. Now, like I said, I do wish that they had like an actual like keychain hook thing that like opens on itself, because this one you're meant to like tie it around, but I'm not gonna tie it and then like lose it. That's so like unsecure for me. So I will totally be getting like a acrylic little keychain thing to put on it. But oh my god, how cute is this? Of course, I have to show you it with the Lilac La Medusa as well, because honestly, this is just like so brilliant and so great. I love this so much. So honestly, when it comes to these keychains, I do recommend them. I do think they are worth it if you do love it enough. And oh my god, they're just so great, and to be honest, I want to collect them all. Lastly, I must say that they do make this in a ginormous pillow, and I want it so bad, the cute little stuffed animal pillow, but I don't know if it's actually like for sale or not. I did see a photo and I will have it up on screen, so I don't know if this was like a store display that like the guy, because he is in like a famous like band, so I don't know if he was like, can I have this like decor piece? And they were just like, okay, yeah, sure. Or if they made it for him, but I have no idea how this happened, but I want it. I want it so bad because I truly just love this little guy so much. He's just so precious. So, again, I totally recommend it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. What was your favorite color? What was your favorite bag with the keychain? And if you had to get a color, which one would you get? And again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And you, and have a great day. Au revoir.